His Morning Crew with Rob, Allison, and Jim.
Is that an SUV driving down the road and nobody's in it? Hey, it's Rob, Allison, and Jim, His Morning Crew on his radio. It actually did happen. And school resource officer Carlos came quick to action. He's at a high school as a resource officer, and this black SUV goes rolling past him. And the thing is, all these students are walking home. And so here's what Officer Carlos did. He chased that rolling SUV. He grabbed onto the door and then held on for dear life.
Basically, it dragged me for about 15 to 20 feet. I was basically skiing, and I was doing everything in my power just to get that vehicle to come to a stop before it struck one of the kids. I don't feel like a hero. I just feel like a police officer that was doing his job.
No, dude, you're a hero. You jumped to action, and here's what Carlos did as he's grabbing a hold of that thing. He must do CrossFit or something, because he was able to get that SUV that was going slightly downhill to a complete stop, saving those kids. And recently he was just honored for his quick thinking by the city manager and city council, and they gave him an award for doing what he did, for acting so quickly. And he's just like so humble. Hey, dude, I'm just doing my job. You know?
Well, and if you watch it, it just rolls right through an intersection. I mean, people going across, it could have been really bad.
Very, very bad. And then, of course, the students that are on the sidewalk walking home, that SUV could have turned out to be horrible.
Yeah, they still don't know what happened because they all had their headsets on. They're just walking along.
Yeah, they're listening to their playlist on Spotify or something.
Yeah, bless their hearts. That's great. Rob, I know you would have done this. You would have ran and picked it up, turned it around.